As we have seen that UCC or the Uniform Civil Code is trending nowadays. Now let us see what does this bill says. The Uttarakhand has become the first state in the country to give legal backing to live-in relationships residents to register with the authorities. The proposed guidelines part of the state's drafts includes in the UCC. It also suggests fines as well as imprisonment for up to 6 months for live-in relationship couples who fails to register their live-in relationship with the authorities. Now let us break this down to get a better view along with the key provisions of this bill. First, live-in relationship. Now, it would be mandatory for the couples living in relationships if fails to register, then may face up to 6 months imprisonment. The bill makes it obligatory to partners to a live-in relationship in a state to register their live-in relationship status to a registrar within whose jurisdiction they are living in. It also states that it should be stated that starting when the live-in arrangements begins is simple for the record keeping purposes. The registrar who will serve as the nodal authority for these registration will be appointed by the government through notification in the official Uttarakhand Gazette. First of all, in addition, a woman gets maintenance of deserted by her live-in partner to be pursued through courts. Second, it also states if the birth of a child born out of the live-in relationships shall be considered as legitimate child of the couple. The proposed law restricts the prohibited relationships, including where both or one of the partners are minor or where the consent of the partners was taken by force or fraud. Third, the draft also gives powers to the registrar to refuse the registration of one of the parties is already in live-in relationship or marriage or consent is obtained by the force or the fraud. The statement of the live-in relationship will be submitted and will be forwarded to the officer in charge of the local police station also. In case either of the partners is less than the 21 years of age, the registrar will also inform the parents or the guardians of the both. If the state finds that the given statement is incorrect or suspicious by the officer in charge of the local police, he will also be informed to take the appropriate actions against them. The draft also states that the couple based out of Uttarakhand may also submit statement of live-in relationship, though it is not mandatory. Second provision, the law in this doesn't include the people from the tribal community, as the India has many religion and is governed by their specific laws, which make it very complex. The idea behind the UCC is common laws on marriage, divorce, inheritance that would be applicable to all the religion within the ambit of India. Third provision is monogamy. This UCC Uttarakhand bill bans the polygamy and criminalize halala. Nikah and halala is a practice in which a woman, after being divorced by triple talaq, marries another man, consummates the marriage, and divorce again in order to remarry her former husband. The UCC has stated uniform age for both the genders of any religion, setting a condition for solemnizing contracting marriage. Under Section 4 of the bill states that the solemnizing of marriage or contracting a marriage, if stated conditions are fulfilled. The bill retains the custom exemption of Hindu Marriage Act to the parties within the degree of the prohibited relationships. The bill also proposed that the uniform marriage age of the parties across the religion in India. Under the condition of marriage, the bill has retained the custom from Hindu Marriage Act from the parties within the degree of prohibited relationships. However, there is exemption for those who marries within the prohibited relationships if the custom governing one of them permits to marry between the two. The court appoints or points out that these customs should not be against the public custom or the morality. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good day.